Have you ever thought about the connection or the relationship between the two following words? ISIFO and the word UKUFA. ISIFO meaning a sickness and illness, and the word UKUFA meaning death in the isiZulu language. You know the two words, ISIFO, that's sickness, UKUFA is death, but have you ever thought about the relationship between the two words? Think about English. If you say sickness and death, of course, a sickness can lead to death, but the two words, sickness and death, do not have anything in common. Two different words, different nouns. Okay? Same in Afrikaans. Siekte and dood, om dood te gaan. Siekte en dood. Okay? A siekte, that is an illness, can lead to die dood, to death. Okay? But in isiZulu, you have not only the word sickness and death, okay, which is true for all languages and for reality, a sickness can lead to death, good. But in isiZulu, the words themselves seem to have a connection. Listen again. ISIFO UKUFA. Can you see it? And if you can see it, don't you think it's interesting? I do not know of any other language where this connection is in the language itself, not only in reality, but in the language. ISIFO and UKUFA. I'm thinking about Sepedi, Kiababja. Hey, Kitohwa Babja in Sepedi, to be ill, and Hohwa. Yes, the one can lead to the other. Sickness can lead to death, but there's no linguistic, in other words, in the words, a connection, but in isiZulu there is. I find it very, very interesting.